You said this one name is Irish. This is Irish, guys. So I don't know. It's gonna be my first time to try it. And this is fried chicken. Like this one, for one piece is 2K, and from this side, one piece is 3K. So we're gonna try from each one. So give me one from this one. So we are going to taste the Ugandan Kampala street food, guys, and we will tell you how it tastes, how it's really like. Yeah, have it, hold. I'll get it, ma'am. I'm speaking to him in Arabic, guys. So this is like chicken fry, Ugandan street food, the first bite. Guys, it is super tender, like well cooked, and the taste like is not super spicy. Like the masala is well balanced, not salty, not spicy, but it's nice, guys. But the only thing is that it's not crunchy. Yeah, that is the only different thing. But it's nice. It's nice, guys. 2K I think is less than $1, guys.